Thank you. Coming up this weekend, a health fair for people across the region. It's being hosted by King University School of Nursing in partnership with a local church. And joining me now with the details on the fair are Amy Edmondson and Stephen Hopkins. Welcome. So tell me about the fair that's happening.
So we're having a free health fair at Kendricks United Methodist Church, providing a lot of preventative screenings, vaccines like COVID vaccines, flu vaccines, which are needed right now, blood glucose checks, blood pressure monitoring, and then community resources, so things like mental health services. We're also going to be doing some women's health screenings and women's health education, so we're really excited about it.
And I can see how a health fair benefits a school of nursing, but I mean, how did the church want to get involved in this?
We just felt like it was important for us to use our facility for more than just hosting religious services, to really be a benefit to the community around us. And so that's kind of how we got connected with it. Plus, member of our church is the dean of the School of Nursing, so that kind of helps.
Well, there you go. You got connections right there. Now, you talk about benefits to the community, and we'll touch more on that in a second, but talk about the benefits to your nursing students, being able to not only connect with the community, but get that real-world application there.
Yeah, so a huge part of our mission at King is service. So our students do a lot of service to the community, and this was just a natural segue for that. But they also get that experience of getting with the individuals, talking about their health needs, meeting them kind of where they are, and also talking about the importance of preventative health and screenings. So a lot of that educational component that students really need whenever they're moving into the role of a registered nurse.
And from the community aspect, I'm sure as a pastor you're talking to your congregation all the time. So have they reached out to you about needing something like this?
Some in general. I mean, I think you see the differences in the community with just need. And so it's just one of those things where the opportunity came our way, and it's a great resource for King to be able to do it. And you know, with where we are in Colonial Heights, it made sense for us to partner with them on it. So.
And this is the first time this is being held, right?
Yes, the first time, but we hope not the last. We are hoping for this to be an annual event.
And it's free. So for all of you guys watching at home, I mean, talk about the benefits besides, you know, not having to spend any money on these services.
Yeah, so it's going to essentially give you some resources on how to follow up if there's anything that is abnormal, or resources that are free to the community, because we have lots of community partners coming. Friends in Need is going to be there, the Branch House, Sullivan County Anti-Drug Coalition. So it's going to give those connections of resources that individuals can use after they leave us to continue that care.
And before we wrap up, one of those resources is Narcan training, right?
Yes.
In a time when we're dealing with an opioid epidemic and overdoses, it seems like every single day. Why is that so important?
It is so important because if we can train individuals and do, you know, mass training, we can prevent unnecessary deaths that are associated with the opioid epidemic. So I'm really excited about that partnership.
I think it's exciting. It's an amazing opportunity. Amy, Stephen, thank you. Now, it's happening this Saturday from 9 a.m. to 2 p.m. It'll be at Kendricks United Methodist Church in Kingsport. Flu and COVID vaccines, COVID screening, diabetes screening, women's health education, and so much more will be available. Take advantage of it.